Hi, my name is Monisha and I am the founder of Creative Crafts.
Hi, this is Sunil. He says I'm a co-founder, but no, I'm the founder of Creative Crafts.
So today we are going to be crafting together. We're going to be making a home sign and we are going to be using chalk paint. You can paint that part and I'll paint the bottom one. Paint is so watery. Careful of the table, what are you doing? Move your hand. My God, this is full of water. You need a thicker brush. Too much paint.
Too much paint.
You fix this color, I don't know what's happened to this. Okay, so after a lot of mess, we painted this. Now we're going to let it dry for some time. So we've used our Cricut Joy to cut out these signs, which you're now going to apply on that board. So while you're waiting for this to dry, you tell me how was it? Did you have a good time?
Good experience.
Yeah, you did. So why don't you guys come and craft with your partners? Come to Creative Crafts. Come and buy this stuff.
This way you spend more time with your partner.
Got it off. Okay, so we'll just now apply this down here. Burnish it a bit. There you see. Too much paint. And
So be grateful, be honest, be kind, and laugh. Ha ha ha.
see, he's the funny one and I am the smart one. There you go. Yeah, and we'll just put it by our